Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Capital One virtual card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. So first of all, make sure to download this app called Apple Wallet or just Wallet in your iPhone. And once you have downloaded the app, just open this app called Apple Wallet, and from here you will see an interface like this. Let me just go to the home section. So that is the home section of Apple Wallet, and you will be seeing this interface. So once you're here, just click on the plus icon on the upper right corner on the above side, and once you click here, you will see an interface like add to wallet. You can see the available cards, apply for Apple Card, like add an Apple account, the travel, debit card, credit card, driving license. So what you need to do is just click on this option called debit or credit card. And once you click here, add cards to Apple Pay to send money to friends and make secure payments in apps, on the web, and in shops using NFC. So from here, just click on continue, and once you click on continue, just hold your mobile phone near the card. And let's say that you have virtual card. So what you can do is just click on this option called enter card details manually. You can see this option, enter card details manually. So just go here, and from here just enter the name of your, like, what is the name of your on the card. Let's say my name is like John, and so write the name John, and from here my card number is like this is the random card number. So you can just like enter this kind of card number, and once you have completed the card number, you can just click on next, and once you click on next, they will verify and add your Capital One virtual card to your Apple Wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add it. So make sure to click on enter card details manually, enter the name, the card number, and that is it. So you will be able to add your virtual card in Apple Wallet.